Okay, Bitcoin Cash. So I want to ask you guys a question because I want you to look at this and I want you to answer this question as if you weren't a holder of Bitcoin Cash, okay? Because what I want to show you here is a logical standpoint as to why I believe 389 is likely going to be the next price, okay? Doesn't mean that I'm bearish on Bitcoin Cash. I'm not bearish, but I just want to show you why I believe that is the case. So here we are right here on January's candle right here. And current price as of this video is $430, right? Taking a look at this, let's just say over the next 17 days, if nothing crazy happened, take away the fundamentals, take away the idea of Trump signing some type of executive order that sends this thing through the roof, right? Let's just look at it from a pure technical standpoint. If price was to close just as it is right now over the next 17 days, taking a look at the previous month's range, we are here from December and this low from December. So you have two areas of liquidity. You have buy side liquidity that sits above December's high, sell side liquidity that sits below December's low. Just logically speaking, if January closed as an inside bar, just like it is now, what would be the next logical level of liquidity that price would hit based off of where it is now? Okay. For me, I would think that the next logical level, so if February opened up like this, I would think the next logical level would be 389. And the reason being is because we are simply closer to this area of liquidity right here than we are to the area of liquidity all the way up here. Okay. To go from where we are now, that $430, up to December's high of 640, we need a massive kick from Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin is going to have to be on a new rally. If you haven't seen my Bitcoin analysis, I laid out 3 time horizons as to likely when that will happen, because there are 3 time frames on Bitcoin that can dictate the next big move. That's no different for Bitcoin Cash. The altcoin season is going to happen on the back of Bitcoin's positive performance. All right. Seeing 389 is a buying opportunity. But as of right now, you guys know, if you've watched my videos before, you know how I feel about inside bars happening. Inside bars on high time frames are rare. Okay. So if you can just look at the last 6 or 7, 8, 9, 10 candles, we have not really had an inside bar. Okay, this candle took out previous candle's high. This one, previous candle's high. This one, inside bar. But the very next candle, you can see we instantly took out the high. This one took out previous candle's low. This took out previous candle's low. This previous candle's low, and so on. Okay, but when you have an inside bar, the very next month candle usually does a breakout. So even if January becomes an inside bar, I already kind of have it in my mind that I may want to pick up some more Bitcoin Cash in the event that we drop to sweep these lows. Based off of what I see Bitcoin doing and based off of this 3-month structure on Bitcoin Cash, I am still confident that we will get up to 718. All right. You may have been waiting for me to say that, but nothing has changed as far as the 3-month horizon. All right. The 3-month structure is still valid. But when you look at this from a monthly, weekly, daily perspective, yeah, it looks like it's falling off a cliff. Right. But I'm looking at higher time frames that take time to happen. And don't get me wrong, Trump could get into office and sign an executive order that sends Bitcoin sky high and Bitcoin Cash would follow. Right. Just by default. But I don't have experience with fundamentals like that. You can't really predict that. I have experience with these candles and the algorithmic movements based off of inefficiency and efficiency. So that's why I feel like, yeah, we could see 389. And then from there, I'd be watching this swing low down here from when we reached into this 3-month level. Okay. Until price further develops and gets closer to this 3-month low, then yeah, I will put out a video talking about Bitcoin Cash doomsday, okay? But until I see the 3-month structure break, I'm solid on a monthly I'm solid on a bullish outlook. All right. So on the 3-month, yes, this wick is horrible, but I do believe that we can chew through it on the upside and get to 718. That's my analysis for Bitcoin Cash. Just a quick update. Again, as more price develops, I'll update this, but let's just see if Bitcoin Cash can stay above 275.